Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Wi-Fi calling on your Samsung device. Wi-Fi calling is a fantastic feature that allows you to make and receive phone calls and text messages over a Wi-Fi network instead of your cellular connection. This is incredibly useful when you are in an area with weak or no cellular signal, like a basement or a remote location. It uses your existing phone number and contacts, so there is no need for a separate app or account. Let's get started with enabling this convenient feature. To activate Wi-Fi calling, first open the phone application on your Samsung device. Look for the 3 vertical dots, often labeled More Options, usually located in the top right corner. Tap on these dots and then select Settings from the menu that appears. Within the settings, you will find the Wi-Fi calling option. Simply toggle this switch to the on position to enable the feature. It's a straightforward process that takes just a few moments. Once you have enabled Wi-Fi calling, it is important to confirm it is working. First, ensure your Samsung device is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. Then, look at your phone's status bar, typically at the top of your screen. You should see a small icon, often a phone receiver with a Wi-Fi symbol, indicating that Wi-Fi calling is active. To be absolutely sure, try making a quick test call. This will confirm that your calls are routing through Wi-Fi. Before you rely entirely on Wi-Fi calling, there are a few important points to remember. Always confirm that your mobile carrier supports Wi-Fi calling with your current plan. While Wi-Fi calling is great, emergency calls, like to 911, might still default to a cellular connection if Wi-Fi is unstable. A strong and reliable Wi-Fi connection is crucial for clear call quality. Finally, keep your Samsung device's software updated to ensure the best performance and security for this feature.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.